Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 6 cryptocurrency to start investing in 2022. If you're still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. 1. Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest digital currency in the world after Bitcoin. It's been on top for a long time, and we don't think any other coin will even come close to beating it. The blockchain is also a big reason why we like Ethereum. The most popular blockchain is still Ethereum, which is in the middle of a big update called Ethereum version 2. 2. Solana. Solana is another coin that has gotten us very excited. It has gone up by 10.7% just this year, and it looks like the coin is just getting started. The Solana blockchain is the only one that might be able to take Ethereum's crown. Even if you didn't know anything else about Solana, that would be enough to make you a big fan. This year, it has become very popular and more people are building on it because the Ethereum blockchain has some problems. 3. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy, even though that may sound like an old saying. It is still the most valuable, and none of the other coins can take that away from it. Right now, there are a lot of good reasons to buy Bitcoin. It was able to stay strong all year, even when the market went down several times. If anything, this shows that Bitcoin is serious business. 4. Chainlink. It has done 80.2% so far this year. Chainlink doesn't use a blockchain like Ethereum and Solana do. Instead, it is a source of information. To work well, blockchains need to be able to access different kinds of data. But not all of this information can be found on the blockchains themselves. 5. XRP. XRP used to be the third most valuable coin on the market at one point. Even though it has gone down since then, XRP is still an important cryptocurrency. Part of the reason why it dropped so much is that the company that made it, Ripple Labs, was sued for fraud in the US. Since December of last year, when the lawsuit started, both sides have been fighting in courts. But many people in the business world think that things are getting better for XRP. Ripple Labs is sure that the said case will be over by 2022, which will be a big plus for XRP. 6. Binance Coin. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and BNB is its own token. Users of Binance can get the coin and get perks like lower trading fees, faster transactions, trading, and more. We chose BNB because it has strong ties to Binance. Binance is a big player in the cryptocurrency market because it is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. As the exchange keeps growing, BNB has also made big gains. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.